Good morning. So, what is sexiological bodywork?
Wait, it's sexological bodywork.
Oh. All right.
That's good though, I like that.
Sexiological.
It is sexy. So sexological bodywork in a nutshell is helping people access pleasure in their bodies.
Amazing. And describe some of the techniques, some of the ways you do this. Anything about like the movement or moving with the body or...
So specifically 4 elements, so we're working with breath, movement, touch, and sound.
Awesome. Okay. Court, what's a question?
What's a question?
Or what's something that
You
you...
can ask, what is somatic sex
Oh,
education?
yes. I'm gonna wait till you finish this comment. Thank you. Okay. What is somatic sex education?
Well, somatic sex education, let's just dissect the words. Somatic means of the body. So we teach through the body, through body-based learning and touch exercises, focusing on learning and pleasure.
Amazing.
Do you want to add anything to that?
Yeah, it's a trauma-informed practice, so that's a really big part of what we do is just really approaching in a very tender way, in a very gentle way, all the layers that may exist in people's bodies, whether they have recognizable traumatic moments or just a series of minor traumas through their life that still live in the soma, in the body.